And welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Ticketmaster app error 404. So let's get started. So here we can see the Ticketmaster app. So if you want to fix the error, then you have to follow these steps. So you have to open it. Okay. So if it's open perfectly and you will be able to log in, that's fine. If not, then you have to press and hold it here. Then you have to click on this I button. And at here you have to scroll down and click on the storage. Then click on the clear data, delete it. Okay, and you have to open it. And if it's work, then fine. If it's not work, then you have to just open it your Google, and at here you will likely search for the Ticketmaster app. Okay, so at here you can see the Ticketmaster app. Just click on here like her Ticketmaster buy sell ticket. Then you have to search for the update. If it's be like up to date, then it's fine. If it's not, then you can update it and you can use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.